Can a small portable gadget really keep you cool when your car's air conditioning isn't working? That's the claim being made by AeroChill Portable AC, and it's a product that's getting a lot of attention online right now. At first glance, the marketing sounds impressive. The device is promoted as a portable cooling solution that can help drivers stay comfortable during hot weather without relying on a traditional air conditioning system. But here's where it's important to understand what you're actually buying. Products like AeroChill are typically small fans or personal cooling devices. They may create a cooling sensation by moving air toward you, but that's very different from lowering the temperature of an entire vehicle the way a real air conditioner does. This is where expectations matter. If you're looking for a compact device to provide some personal airflow, it may offer limited benefits. However, if you're expecting it to replace a vehicle's built-in air conditioning system, the results may not match the marketing claims. Before purchasing, I'd recommend checking independent customer reviews, comparing similar products, and reviewing the company's refund policy. Real customer experiences can often reveal things that advertisements leave out. Another thing worth considering is price. Many portable cooling gadgets look similar across different online marketplaces, so it can be helpful to compare options before making a decision. So, is AeroChill Portable AC worth buying? It may be useful as a small personal cooling device, but shoppers should approach claims of replacing a real air conditioner with realistic expectations. At the end of the day, it appears to be a portable cooling gadget rather than a true air conditioning solution. If you enjoy honest reviews like this, HM Advisor has plenty more coming your way.